All right, now you should be ready to create your scatter plot using Google Sheets. Your first step in creating your scatter plot is to make sure that you plug in your data to your spreadsheet. So I have an example of some data that I've plugged in here. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of my data. So I started here and I just held my mouse and drug till it was right here. Now I'm going to go to Insert, and then I go to Chart. Now when I do that, it automatically shows up as a line chart, but I actually need this to be a scatter plot. So all you have to do is you're going to go over to the right of your screen where this has popped up, and you're going to, on this drop-down menu, you're going to find the scatter plot, which should be right here. So then once you have that, you can see now it's as a scatter plot and you have your points. The next thing you have to do is make your line of best fit. So to make your line of best fit, you're going to click on Customize, and then you're going to come down to where you see Series. So you'll click where it says Series, and you have to scroll down a little bit. Well, to make your line of best fit, which is also called a trend line, you're going to go to where you see these three boxes, and you're going to click the one next to trend line. So now you're almost finished, but you have to remember the last step, which is to generate the equation of that trend line. So to do that, you have to scroll down a little bit more, and you should see a box that says Label. And underneath that, it says None. Well, if you click there, you can click on the one that says Use Equation. And when you do that, the equation will show up right here. So this trend line has an equation that says 2.74 times x plus negative 10.5. And that means that this trend line has a slope of 2.74 and it would have a y-intercept of negative 10.5. So now that you have your graph, all you have to do is take this, copy and paste this into your slideshow, and you will be done with this part.